Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I am providing the solution of this question number 15 from textbook spreadsheet modeling from chapter number 2. So the Government Grill Company manufactures and sells two different types of grills, propane and electric. Each propane grill sells for $3.20 and cost $220 to manufacture. So in this question, they have provided a tabular information of manufacturing process and hours required per unit for propane and electric. And then in this paragraph, they have provided the constraints. Now, this question is divided into three parts, which is we need to first provide the LP model of this problem and then sketching of the feasible reason. And then third part is to determine the optimal solution using level curves. So I've used Excel file to solve this question. So in Excel, this is part A or the problem formulation. So we have taken two variables x1 and x2. X1 is propane grills to produce and x2 is the number of grills to produce. Then we have these constraints, and then this one is part for B and C. So for part B, these are all the tabular constants that I've taken from this one. And then there are some calculations over it for x1 and x2. After then, this one is the graph that I created in the Excel. And these are the coordinates that has been mentioned in the questions, that is determine the level curves. So the level curves are, this one is the first one, then this one is the second one, this one third, and this one is fourth. And this one is our optimal solution, feasible reason, which is marked in blue color. And this one is our optimal solution. So to get this file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address, which will you can just check on the description part of this video. And thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.